What is going on, guys? It's your boy Aries Trades, and we're back again with another great live stream. Hope you guys are having a very good day, and if you guys are not, you're about to. So we're going to be looking at gold during Tokyo session. I know, a little different. And if you guys are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I usually really only trade London and New York, but recently Mondays have been very slow, so I'm taking a different approach and looking at Tokyo session on Sunday, right? Sunday going into Monday. I've been seeing there's a lot more volume during this time because the market's just opening and people are just itching to trade. So we want to be a part of the volume and not just consolidation. So we're gonna look at some trades that we could possibly take. Okay. But as you guys know, how to do things, we like to go with the fundamentals if there are any, and then look at the technicals. Okay. So let's get in here real quick. Okay. Uh, okay. Sunday, right, the 20th, we have some CNN news, 47 seconds, NZD credit card spending yearly, AUD, these are not going to affect gold, I don't believe so. So we should be fine as far as fundamentals, okay? So let's get into technicals, okay? So, if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know my strategy to the core. Okay, if you guys are new, I'll simply explain it. Right, we kind of missed a great trade here. I like to trade moving averages and ICT concepts. Only one ICT concept, and that's fair value gaps. I love fair value gaps. They work, guys. If you guys don't believe it, and they don't work all the time, right? Just like any strategy doesn't work all the time. Every concept doesn't work every time, but it's been proven by so many people that they do work. Okay, so looking at gold, we do have a couple fair value gaps, right? Gold has been on a very bullish run. All-time high currently is 2,725. Okay, so absolutely just running. Okay, so we're looking for a fair value gap to get into a potential play here. Okay, the nearest fair value gap is this 4-hour fair value gap down here, illustrated by this gray box. Okay, which is all the way down here. Which do I think that's going to happen in Tokyo session? That's no, not in one session that will happen, guys. Especially with no news events. Okay, it is now 8 o'clock when we have the big guys step in, and this is where we want to see some moves start to happen. Um, my strategy is basically simple, guys. I like the 21 moving average is a day trading moving average, right? 21 moving average, okay? My 200 moving average is the trend, right? As long as we are above this, right, I'm going to be risking 2%, right? This is a plus setup for me. This is the trend. We break my 20 moving average, we can look for buys, okay? So as long as price is above my 200 moving average, once price breaks above the 21 moving average, give me a sign of bullish momentum, we can then risk 2%. Now, not to say, right, understand that we do have liquidity resting down here, right? To take sells against that, right, I'd only be risking 1% because that's a counter trend, right? Counter trends are not high probability as far as me back testing and forward testing and doing this over a period of time, right? I've seen plenty of times, right? It doesn't always work out. So it's a counter trend. It's more of a riskier trade to go against the trend, especially on gold. Gold is very bullish, right, guys? So we do want to see this candle close above the 20 moving average and probably take a play like this right here, guys, right? Look to take out that previous, right? If we can get this candle to close with some bullish momentum, right, above my 20 moving average, we can look for buys, okay? To continue this bullish momentum from gold. We're not going to get in too early, right? We want to wait for a closure above, and then we look for buys. Okay, guys? And as I'm saying that, let me make sure I can see you guys chatting in the chat if you guys are in here. We're not going to get too early, right? We want to wait for a closure above, and then we look for buys. Okay, guys? Okay. So, I was making sure I could see the chat right in front of me, and now we can. But once I said it, guys, right, we're literally waiting for a closure above my 21 moving average, which is right here. Let me actually go to these charts right over here. We're not looking at US 30, we're looking at gold. And this, I'm trading a funding PIPS 10K account. As you guys can see, we're currently down about 3%, which is not too bad. There's still plenty of capital to get that back up, okay? But as you guys can see, this is pushing pretty nicely right now. But we need to see a closure from this candle here, okay? Hope you guys are having a very good night, right? And once again, I'm only simply trading Tokyo session on a Sunday going into Monday just because Mondays recently have been very, very slow in the market. Mondays have been slow, and Fridays have been just kind of chaotic, in my opinion, just because people want to get some last quick profits, or sometimes they'll take losses, but trying to get some last quick profits in the weekend is just it goes in all directions. So just waiting to get a quality trade here now. So like I said, waiting for this candle to close here, right? Liquidity to me is going to be up here, right? All time high. Mark that out for you guys. That'd be a TP for me right there. Make that black. If I can spell. I still can't spell. Okay, you guys get the point, right? All time high. Okay, so we're literally just waiting now for this candle to close, and we can look for a trade. Stop losses, right? Stop loss is going to be below my 50 moving average. Anything below that, I'm just not interested in trading anymore. We got about 17 more seconds in this candle. Looking really, really nice so far. To me, I think gold is a very bullish thing right now. I think we're just gonna keep buying, guys. 3 seconds here. So this candle did close, right? So we're gonna look to get into some buys here. Okay. So we're now in, guys. We're now currently in. Now stop loss, right? I go based off of risk, right? So stop loss is gonna be $200, right? Take profit is gonna be about $200 as well. Okay. Confirm. So, right. Where's my 15-minute? There we go. Right. Looking to take gold a little bit higher into the zone. Now, that would be an all-time high, right? That'd be a way, way higher all-time high. But I'm very confident in gold, guys. Gold has just been pushing and pushing and pushing. I will move my stop loss once we're in about 1%, which $100. Um, yeah, about $100 in profit right there. As you guys can see, we're finally pushing. We're pushing. This is why you want to be with the trend, guys. Do not sell at all-time highs. Do not sell at all-time highs. Please, for the love of God, do not sell at all-time highs. Just don't do it. Just do not do it. You'll get cooked every single time. And I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna grab a water. Be right back, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, we are back. My bad. I got some water and a quick little snack. So let's get back into here and let's see what we got going on. Okay, so we're at that all-time high level now. Now it's kind of just stagnant here, right? Might have to take some profits, right? Either we're gonna push higher or we're just not gonna be stagnant, right? Looking for at least about 1% before I close anything. If not, I don't. But I'm not willing to take a loss on this trade. Already in profits. Looking for about 1%, then I'll move my stop loss to break even, and then we could potentially ride this wave higher. But if it gets closer to my entry, then I'm just gonna have to get it out of it. Seems to be a little bit of indecision here. I love that. Buyers are coming in. Beautiful push. Excuse me, sorry guys. Currently floating at $50 right now. This candle has 3 minutes still. This is what trading is all about, though, guys. So once again, we're only in this trade because, right, we're at all-time highs. We broke above my 21 moving average, respecting trend, right? This is why we're in this trade right now. Looking to possibly make another all-time high. Beautiful push. TP is at, where's TP? TP is at 27.32. 27.32, guys. Why that level is just $200 risk. That's basically what I was looking for. 2% trade. I think buyers are in. We're in the market now. Buyers are definitely in. We'll see how we're looking once we're at 1%. Beautiful. Keep pushing, gold. Keep pushing. You got more. Come on. We're looking for at least 1%. I don't think buyers are losing momentum like that. Like this candle still has about 2 minutes left. We want to see it continue to surge, continue to push. Beautiful. Keep pushing. 85, I saw. 80. Nice. Keep pushing. Mm-mm. 90, 97, 98. Come on, I just want to see at least 100. 100, 101. Beautiful. I'm gonna close it there, guys. Nice little 1% trade there. Wasn't too bad. Gold is absolutely just surging. Um, My target, or at least like for 2%, was 27.32. That is up here, right? I'm not saying that gold can't do it. It just already up 1%, especially being down. You really want to take those little wins whenever you can. And right there was just a perfect little win. Strategy played out perfectly. We broke my 12 moving average with some pressure. Right, this candle does not even have a wick on the very top, which showed a very bullish momentum going. Once we got that, we had a little bit of shuffling here, right, back and forth. This candle came and we surged up higher, right, and we were able to close out with about $106, which is that's a great trade, guys. I'm gonna end it off that. I'm gonna end it with that, guys. One trade per session is really all you need to make it. So we're now our balance is at $9,737, and yeah, we're just going to slowly try to grind it back this week, right? At least try to get it back to break even, and then hopefully pass this first phase. Um, yeah, great trade on gold, guys. Hopefully, you guys like the analysis. You guys like the strategy. And if gold does get up there, then it just does. Okay, we broke all time high, which was my first target. Then we had a nice little surge. We could see it sell back down, but I'm not going to. Don't sell at all time highs. It's just it never works out for people. So yeah, not too bad of trading, guys. A live stream for about 15 minutes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys subscribe and just yeah, watch an average everyday trader just trade his setup whenever he sees it and executes every single time he sees it. I'll see you guys Tuesday, trading London session, and hopefully you guys have a very nice day. See you.